This is a what I eat in a day to lose weight on the Eat to Live Nutritarian diet video. Let's see what we're making today.
All right, breakfast is sweet mango lentil oats. That's right. That's what I said. Give it a try. It's really unexpected, but it's amazing. You know, people are always talking about how oatmeal never sits with them long enough and they get hungry so quickly. Well, this is a way to extend that oatmeal and get some really good fiber as well. So you're going to be surprised how delicious this one is. We're going to make enough for at least 3 servings, so you'll have leftovers or you can feed your family. We'll start with the water and the red lentils. Cook those briefly to get them started, and then add in old-fashioned oats and some rice cauliflower. What? We're going to start this day going with some cruciferous veggies. That's right. You know how we do. Once this is cooked, spoon 1 portion in a bowl and decorate with the toppings. The toppings can be stirred into the mixture for convenience. However, they look gorgeous set on top too. We sprinkle with ground flaxseed, some cinnamon, and a little ground vanilla powder. We add 1 cup of blueberries and some cut mango. Topping all this off with some currants and drizzle on some almond butter. This will fill your tummy. Yums. Okay. Lunch is a salad surprise. It is the super spinach salad with miso ginger dressing, reminiscent of Trader Joe's super spinach salad. Yum! Start by making the carrot ginger dressing. This one's inspired by those flavor combinations that top your salad at an Asian restaurant, but this version has no oil or sugar and very little salt, so super win here. Shredded carrots are the base, then sesame seeds, a little sweet onion, fresh ginger, a bit of miso, unseasoned rice wine vinegar, and then to just add a little water to get the correct consistency that you like. Okay, our beautiful dressing is ready. Remember that a little fat eaten with our greens helps to make the micronutrients available to our bodies, so really good stuff here. Now for the salad, we do some baby spinach, baby spring mix, or your choice of any leafy green base gets chopped up. This makes the salad easier to eat and allows the juiciness of the greens to be released. We're going to toss all the ingredients together. So into the chopping bowl goes garbanzo beans or chickpeas, shredded carrots, some baby tomatoes, and chopped sweet apple. Yum. We're going to toss with our dressing, pour out into our serving bowl, and top with some raw, unsalted sunflower seeds for crunch. There you go. All right, dinner is quick and easy. We're just going to do a sweet tooth smoothie here. This is one of my favorites. Finish off that day with a luxurious smoothie, that's right. Water and some walnuts go in first. Then we add some cooked button mushrooms. What? That's right. Did you know this is a great way to hide mushrooms if you don't like the flavor? Just put one in there. You won't even taste any. Now add the cocoa powder, some peanut butter, vanilla powder, kale, frozen dark pitted cherries, and some frozen banana pieces for sweetness. We blend this bad boy and bottoms up.
What do you think of those recipes, eh? I love those ones. First of all, that salad, reminiscent of Trader Joe's super spinach salad, one of my favorites. Love it so much. And the breakfast, I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think down below in the comments about those lentil oats. A little bit different, but I think you're gonna love it. And it's gonna be awesome to get that extra fiber and protein with your breakfast oat. So the smoothie, you can use that anytime too. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you have any thoughts or suggestions or any other recipes that you love that remind you of these maybe and you want to share? Let us know. Let's talk about this down below. By the way, if you need the recipes, of course, those are down below in the description, the exact recipes. So make sure you click on the show more description so you can get those and just copy and paste to use them however you like. All right. Now, the important part, the exciting part I wanted to tell you about is that the Eat to Live family, well, right now we happen to be in the middle of a challenge. We're all doing a challenge together. We do these challenges on a monthly basis, Eat to Live challenge. But as soon as that challenge is over, and by the way, we're doing this regularly, we open up the Eat to Live family. Now, the Eat to Live family is my monthly group coaching membership. It's super affordable. So I wanted to be able to have a place where everybody could be coached on the same techniques that I use and I use in my private coaching to up level your game when it comes to weight loss. So you can lose weight easier, you can keep it off, you can learn how to eat to live, and you can get the mindset in order to stay consistent and stick with it for life, maintain that weight loss, feel good, and all at the same time love Eat to Live or any version of healthy eating that you're interested in doing. Okay, so that's why I created the Eat to Live family, so that we could all be together doing this at the same time in the same place. I want you to think Nutritarian Facebook minus all the ads and all the distraction and all the political rants, okay? That's what the Eat to Live family is. It's super supportive. There's a full accountability program. There is my entire, by the way, Eat to Live Academy, which is an 8-week digital coaching course available in there. I just threw that in. And there is my whole weight loss vlog that's telling you exactly how I'm losing weight after the birth of my twins. I've lost tons of weight already, and I tell you exactly exactly how in there. In so many other things, 2 amazing group coaching calls with me, and I do like hot seat style coaching. You're gonna love it, all right? So it's gonna be open for registration really soon, around the time of publish of this video. So make sure you keep your eyes out. Either you can sign up for the wait list for when it exactly opens, or you can sign up to join right now if you're watching this during the time of the launch, okay? But there's gonna be a link for all of this down below, so you can make sure that you either sign up for the wait list or you get in immediately when it's open, all right? At the time of publish, it's open. So you want to make sure you get in when you can, because we only leave it open for a little bit and we're not launching all the time. So you want to make sure you can get in and get all those tools as soon as you can, okay? So I hope you love these recipes. Make sure you sign up for the Eat to Live family. Super affordable. You can just come in for a month, see how it goes, see what you like about it, and just check it out. We'd love to see you in there in the Eat to Live family, so you can learn some new things, make some new friends, and really have a family surrounding you to help you eat to live for life and love it. All right. So I hope you love these recipes. Get those down below in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.